What's up, guys? Yeah, this is part two of the installation of the use press that came here last year. Sometimes in this November, I think it was October, November, around there. And this is testing day. This is our first time we're gonna run this machine, see how it goes, and we're gonna test everything. And here you go. All right, so put in pretty good so far. So guys checking the numbers on the inkjets. Everything looking good, tracking good. Camera systems working great. Inkjets working great. Good tension. Not spill on the ink, so that is good. Paper looking good. Nice. Very nice. Make on the back of the towers. Perfect. No ink spills. The unwind, good tension. No wrinkles, that's what we want. There's no flapping on the paper. No ink spills on the pump. You know, for being the first time running, this is pretty good. Usually it doesn't happen all the time, but this is good. Again, no ink spills. Duct system doing the job. Perfect. This is the strobe light on the cam. It's working. Doing what it's supposed to do. Very nice. Alright. Good. Time for break.